Hello everyone, welcome to Banking Hatke, and in this video I am going to discuss 10 most important wrong number series questions. So let's start the video. Now, our first question is as seen: 134, 147, 165, 193, 236 and 297. We have to find the wrong number. Since the numbers are since the difference between the numbers are not much, so we will start taking the differences. So the difference for the first two is 13, the next it's 18, for the next it's 28, for the next it's 4 and 3, that is 43, next it's 6 and 161. So we cannot get any pattern from this differences. So what can we do? We can take difference once again. So we will get 5 here. For the second and third we will get 10. For next term we will get 15. For the next two it's 18. So if we observe, it is table of 5. So this 18 is not correct, it should be 20. So since 18 is not correct, this 61 is not correct, therefore 297 is our wrong number. Now next question. In this question also we can take the differences. So the difference for the first two is 1 and 2, 12. Then for the next two it's 14, next it's 16, next it's 20, and for the last two it's 18. So it is easily observed that this is a series of even numbers starting with 12. So the term after 16, so it's 12, 14, 16, and it should be 18 instead of 20. Therefore 136 is our wrong number. Now next question. It is a question based on decimal pattern. So for our convenience we can change this decimal pattern to a normal question. So we can rewrite it as now. In this question the term first decreases, then increases, again it decreases and increases. So we can start taking the differences. First it decreases by 8, next it increases by 16, next it decreases by 24, next increases by 32, sorry it's 22, and the next one it's decreases by 30. So it is table of 8. So in place of 22 it should be 32. Therefore this 110 is not correct, it should be 120. Therefore 11 is not correct, it is our wrong term. Now for the next question. If you are familiar with the perfect square, you can easily observe that 961 is 31 square, 1369 is 37 square, 1681 is 41 square, 1849 is 43 square. So it is a pattern which is the square of consecutive prime numbers. So next term should be 47 square, but as we know 47 square is not 2249, it is 2209. Therefore this is our wrong term. Now next question. In this question the few numbers are very large and few numbers are small, so we cannot take the differences. So what can we do? If we observe it properly, then we can see that if we divide the first number with 2, we will get second number. Again, if we divide the second number with 3, we will get 4. After that, if we divide with 4, we will get 360. So after that it should be divided by 5. 360 by 5 is 72, not 74. Therefore 72 is our wrong number. Now next question. It is a different type of series and very important one. This 60, we can write 60 as 64 minus 4, 120 as 125 minus 5, 210 as 216 minus 6, Next, 334 as 343 minus 7. Yes, you get it right. It is a series of n cube minus n. So next term is correct. It's 8 cube, that is 512 minus 8. And the last term should be 9 cube minus 9, that is 729 minus 9. So it should be 720, not 728. Therefore 728 is our wrong number. Next, now for the next question. In this case also we cannot take difference since it cannot help us. So what can we do? If we multiply 6 with 4, we will get 24. That's not a problem, but can we get 78 out of 24 by multiplying with such number? No, it's not possible. So what can we do? We can add 2 with 6, then multiply with 3, then we will get 24. Again, if we add 2 with 24 and multiply with 3, we will get 73. So this is the pattern. Next, 78 plus 2 into 3 gives us 240. Next, 240, next term should be 240 plus 2 into 3. So it should be 726, but here it is given as 728. Therefore 728 is our wrong number. Now next question. In this question, the first term is 6, the second term is 3.5. It's around half of 6. Next question, next term is 4.5. So what can we do? We can simply divide 6 or multiply 6 with half, divide with 2 or multiply with half and add half to it, then we will get 3.5. For 3.5, we can multiply it with 1 and add with 1, so we will get 4.5. Next, it should be into 2 plus 2. Yeah, it gives us right value. So the next term should be into 4 plus 4. Since after half it's 1, then 2, then 4, it's right pattern. So 11 into 4, that is 44 plus 4, it should be 48, not 46. Therefore 46 is our wrong number. Now let's move on to our next question. This is a very important series. It is not a series in which we can take difference or we can apply square or cubes. It is a different series in the sense it is very difficult to get. So what is this series? It is actually 2 factorial minus 2, which gives us 0. Now what is factorial? This factorial terms denote that suppose we have taken 4 factorial, then we have to multiply 4 with a number less than 4, 1 less than 4, next 1 less than 3, next 1 less than 2 till 1, and next we have to multiply all these numbers, then we will get 24. Therefore 4 factorial is 24. Similarly 2 factorial, it is 2 into 1, that is 2. So our first term can be written as 0 as 2 factorial minus 2, which is 2 minus 2, that is 0. Then next term, for the next term, it's 3 factorial minus 3. 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1, that is 6. 6 minus 3 gives us 3. Next one is 4 factorial minus 4. 4 factorial is, as we have seen, its 4 factorial is 24. Therefore 24 minus 4 gives us 20. Therefore it should be 20, not 12. Now check the rest of the numbers. 5 factorial minus 5. 5 factorial means 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. If we multiply it, we will get 20, 60, 120. 120 minus 5, yeah, this gives us 115. That is true. Now next come to the last question of this video. It is 88, 92, 116, 135, 260 and 296. So we can start with taking differences. For the first two, the difference is 4. For second and third, the difference is 24. For the next two, this difference is 29. For the next it's 125, and for the last case it's 36. So what should be the pattern? It is 2 square, it is 5 cube, it is 6 square. So after 2 square it should be 3 cube, that is 27 should be there. 92 plus 27, it should be 119, not 116. Therefore, and after 119, if we add 16 with 119, we will get, oh sorry, it's not 29, it's 19. So it in this place of 106, it will be 119. If we add 119 with 4 square, that is 16, we will get the next term, that is 135. So this is all about this video. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, do subscribe. Thank you.